This ultra-modern beverage factory produces a dark, bubbly cola, automated of a vibrant carbonated drink crafted in a clean, hygienic environment. Our process begins with rigorous water purification. Next, we blend the purified water for water. The mixture is not also the syrup and times with precision. Every bottle is sealed and inspected for. First, the liquids are mixed. Then, carbonation adds fizz. Finally, bottles are filled and sealed. This ultra-detailed scene shows a purified water system where water flows through these filtration units, producing the clean, transparent liquid. The ASMR water flow highlights the industrial precision. Industrial filtration membranes are key to removing impurities from water. This process ensures the water is safe. It's a critical step in maintaining public health and environmental sustainability. These large stainless steel tanks store purified water for production. The water is held at a constant temperature to ensure quality. Trained workers monitor the levels and flow continuously. To create the sweet syrup base, we load refined sugar into these industrial mixers. The sugar dissolves and is blended to form a concentrated solution. Sugar dissolves into heated water, forming a thick syrup. The heat and agitation create a smooth, viscous liquid for industrial use. To achieve the perfect taste, we add flavor concentrate to the syrup mixture in precise quantities, following a scientific formula. This dark cola concentrate transforms the syrup base into our signature rich brown color through precise mixing. This large mixing tank rotates slowly, blending the syrup and flavor. The even mixing is essential for product consistency. The machine's hum and worker focus ensure quality. These are the CO2 storage tanks, ready for carbonation. The gas flows through these pipes to the process. Workers monitor the pressure for optimal carbonation. This ensures every beverage gets the perfect fizz. The control system monitors CO2 levels before injection. The gauges track pressure to ensure safe parameters. Mechanical feedback is precise in integrity and safety. The liquid mixture is now in the transfer stage, flowing steadily through these stainless steel pipes. It's moving toward the carbonation unit, where it will be infused with carbon dioxide. Inside this pipeline, the cola liquid flows smoothly under controlled pressure. This ensures a consistent and efficient movement through the manufacturing process. The carbonation stage is where the liquid gets its fizz. Carbon dioxide is injected under high pressure. In the factory, precise CO2 injection begins the carbonation of the cola. The gas dissolves, creating pressure that forms the first bubbles you see. As bubbles rise and pop, the liquid becomes fully carbonated. Under pressure, carbon dioxide infuses the cola, creating these bubbles. The gas forms tiny nucleation sites that expand into bubbles. They rise rapidly, creating this satisfying, crisp fizz. Observe the uniform carbonation in the cola liquid. Bubbles are evenly distributed, creating a consistent fizz. This precision is key to quality in every bottle. Gentle rotation ensures perfect mixing of gas and liquid. This process delivers consistent carbonation levels. The carbonated cola now moves through sealed pipelines toward the bottling section. Here, it will be precisely measured and sealed into bottles for distribution. In this stage, bottles undergo a deep clean to ensure hygiene. Powerful water jets remove any contaminants. This process is crucial for consumer safety. High-pressure jets forcefully remove impurities from the bottles. This ensures a thorough and hygienic cleaning process. The liquid enters the bottles at high speed. Foam and bubbles form rapidly, creating an ASMR fizz. The bottles are precisely filled as they move along the conveyor. High-speed bottling lines increase efficiency. Multiple nozzles fill bottles simultaneously. Precision engineering drives mass production. The cola rises steadily inside the bottle as pressure forms fine bubbles that rise, creating the foam head. Sotivunical, the process consistent fill levels and optimal production line. The automated capping machine aligns each filled bottle precisely. The capping head descends, applies a cap. This high-speed process ensures every bottle is sealed consistently. Observe the smooth, precise application of the label onto the bottle. This automated process ensures perfect alignment every time. The result is a flawless, satisfying wrap with no imperfections. The accepted cola bottles continue their movement toward the packaging unit. This approved batch is now being grouped for efficient packaging. The automated system ensures precision and speed in the assembly process. The automated system prepares the cola bottles for packaging. Conveyor belts move the bottles to the grouping station. Mechanical arms arrange them into packs on cardboard trays. This machine wraps the grouped bottles in plastic film. The wrap protects the products during transport. It ensures the packs arrive safely to their destination. Finished packs move steadily along the conveyor toward the boxing station. At the station, workers carefully place each pack into the box. This ensures efficient packing and prepares them for shipping. Automated packaging lines use robotic arms for efficient cola packs from the supply line and transfer them into boxes on the moving conveyor and increases speed and reduces errors. We arrange the cola packs in precise layers to maximize box capacity. This method optimizes space, reducing waste and shipping costs. The tape machine automatically applies adhesive tape to seal the boxes securely for transport. This automated process ensures consistent, reliable sealing. Sealed boxes move along the conveyor toward the palletizing area. This system ensures efficient, continuous flow in the logistics chain. Workers at the palletizing station receive and spot his warehouse operations. The palletizing machine precisely stacks cola boxes onto wooden pallets. Its robotic arm lifts each box with steady, gentle motions. It places them in neat layers. Both sessions ensure efficient, reliable logistics. Stretch film is applied to stabilize the load. This prevents shifting during transport. The process ensures safe delivery and reduces damage risk. In the storage stage, pallets are lifted and placed on shelves. This efficient process ensures goods are organized and ready for distribution. Precision and safety are key in this industrial workflow. Transporting pallets to cold storage requires precise temperature control. The temperature is constantly monitored and maintained within a narrow range. This ensures the quality and safety of the goods during storage. In this vast warehouse, efficient storage is key. Rows of stacked pallets optimize space and retrieval. This system supports large-scale distributions seamlessly. The scale here is workers scan pallet barcodes for real-time inventory updates. This ensures accurate stock levels and efficient logistics. ASMR elements like scanner beeps enhance the monitoring experience. Our system tracks cola stock in real time. Smart algorithms predict demand and prevent shortages. Here, inventory drops, triggering an automatic alert. The pallets move steadily on the conveyor toward the loading dock. This automated system ensures efficient and accurate shipment preparation. The pallets will be processed to maintain stocks for distribution. The distribution phase begins as trucks line up at the dock. Workers prepare for the cola shipment to be loaded. This phase is critical for efficient supply chain management. The forklift carefully lifts the pallet, guiding it slowly into the truck bed, placing it down securely. These cola boxes are ready for transport, a key part of our vast distribution network. From this warehouse, trucks like this one supply stores nationwide with arrive fresh and on time. The loading is complete. Now, the shipment must be sealed. The workers secure the cargo doors. This ensures the integrity of the cargo during transit. From the factory, our delivery truck begins its journey, carrying a full load of cola products to the market. This is the start of its path to stores and customers. The global supply chain moves goods worldwide, with trucks delivering to centers like this. Inside, workers and forklifts handle cargo, linking production to consumers everywhere. Pallets arrive at the distribution center for intermediate storage. This step is crucial for supply chain efficiency.
Over here, next to the colas.
Workers place them for quick retrieval. Workers carefully lift the cola boxes from the truck. They pass the boxes smoothly, maintaining a steady rhythm. Each box is stacked precisely on the metal shelves. This efficient process is key to logistics handling. Welcome to this massive distribution warehouse. It's filled with palletized cola inventory, ready for retail. This highlights the immense scale of beverage distribution. The boxes are sorted for different retail destinations. Each box is checked and routed efficiently. The process ensures timely delivery to stores. The conveyor system moves the cola boxes towards the retail shipment lanes. Here, factory workers guide the boxes and ensures efficient delivery for final locations.
All right, let's get these trucks loaded.
Last mile delivery is the final step in the supply chain.
Careful with the fragile ones.
Workers load goods efficiently for on-time store delivery. The cola products arrive at the retail store storage area.
Positioning the forks now.
The forklift lifts the pallet and transpallet is carefully placed on the shelf, completing the arrival stage. Here, workers carefully stock fresh cola bottles into the refrigerators. This ensures every bottle is perfectly chilled and ready for customers. Our products are kept in optimal conditions, ready for purchase. This ensures every bottle maintains peak freshness and quality. As the cold cola bottle chills, condensation naturally forms on its surface. This is a sign of peak freshness, with crisp ASMR drips ensures every bottle delivers that cool, refreshing quality. The final stage of production brings the product to the consumer, completing the cycle from factory to purchase. Observe the rapid rise of these bubbles in the cola. They are carbon dioxide gas. This creates the fizz and foam that differs from the liquid. The final step is serving. We pour the cola into a glass, allowing the foam to form for a perfect finish. The foam on carbonated drinks is a direct result of CO2 release. Its stability is key to the sensory experience, influenced by factors like temperature and ingredients. Observe the cola liquid as it swirls slowly inside the glass, forming intricate, mesmerizing patterns that are smooth, creating a satisfying, ASMR-like experience. The cooling effect begins as ice meets the liquid. This creates a refreshing fizz and chill, perfect for any hot day or break time. The rich, dark color draws you in, and the sparkling bubbles create a mesmerizing effect. This is the visual appeal of a perfectly crafted cola. The final presentation, a premium glass meticulously placed, its surface catching every reflection. The bubbles rise, emphasizing the quality of our process, a perfect harmony of form and function. Feel the fizz awaken your senses. Each bubble rises with crisp refreshment. The foam settles, an oasis of cool in the factory's heat. Behold the perfect symmetry of these cola glasses, a visual delight in our factory. Each bubble rises, symbolizing the joy of refreshment, reaches everyone, everywhere. This is the pouring process. The liquid fills the bottles. Foam rises consistently.
Observe the cola splashing upward in slow motion, forming a crown-like shape as surface tension and carbonation create a dynamic, artistic liquid sculpture.
Observe the tiny bubbles in the cola rising to the surface. Each bubble is filled with carbon dioxide gas trapped during production. When they reach the top, they pop, releasing the gas into the air. A glass of cola placed under a spotlight. The visual focus is clear and sharp. The bubbles rise, the details are crisp. The complete journey of cola production, from factory to finished glass. Our workers and machines ensure every bottle meets high-quality beverage, ready for enjoyment. Our final product is now complete. A perfect bottle and glass, side by side. This premium cola bottle, with its pure, glistening droplets, encapsulates freshness and quality, crafted in our state-of-the-art facility. Here is the final quality check, focusing on the bottle's surface. The label is clear and droplets are minimal, ensuring purity. Our workers and systems ensure every bottle meets our high standards. The final pour completes the cycle, delivering the crisp, refreshing experience directly to you. This seamless integration of production and sensation defines the essence of industrial craftsmanship. Observe the foam forming as the cola is poured. This is a dynamic equilibrium. The rate of bubble formation equals the rate of collapse. We've crafted this moment of refreshment just for you. Share your experience with us and let the world taste the difference. Observe the dramatic release of carbonation. The power of compressed CO2 gas is unleashed. This burst is the signature of a refreshing beverage. Observe the top layer of foam. Bubbles rise and burst, creating intricate microtextures, forming the fizzing patterns. The process is continuous and precise, a symphony of sensory details. The journey begins with pure ingredients blended precisely. Carbonation infuses life into the mixture. This glass represents the final, satisfying step in our process. This is a detailed presentation of a cola glass. The reflective surface doubles the visual impact. Note the perfect symmetry of aesthetic reflection. In the final stage of production, the cola is poured with precision. The beauty of the final product is revealed. A perfect glass of cola, a symbol of craftsmanship. And so, the bottles continue their journey, a testament to the relentless rhythm of creation. In the quiet hum, their story finds its end.
What do you think of this crisp, refreshing cola? Let us know in the comments below. Experience the innovation in our factory. Subscribe to our channel for more updates and behind-the-scenes content.
Subscribe for more factory videos.
See you next time. Let us know what you think. Your feedback helps us improve. Share your ideas in the comments. We appreciate your input. Thanks for watching.